Orompoto was the first and only female Alaafin of the Oyo Empire, a highly skilled warrior who ruled from 1554 to 1562. She was the daughter of Alaafin of Oyo and the granddaughter of Alaafin Orompoto. Orompoto was the sister of her predecessor Alaafin Oyo. Her ascension to the throne was unprecedented, as leadership was traditional male-dominated. She was the second Oyo monarch to reign in the new capital of Igbo. Oral tradition suggests that before assuming the throne, she was miraculously transformed into a man, a claim that highlights the cultural resistance to female rulers at the time. To solidify her right to rule, Orompoto had to prove her suitability, reportedly demonstrating her masculinity to the Oyomesi, the 7 councils of kingmakers, within 7 days. This act led to her acceptance as Alaafin. She also trained in warfare and commanded soldiers. As a ruler, Orompoto was known for her military prowess. She led armies into battle and implemented significant military reforms, strengthening Oyo's cavalry, particularly the eshors of Ikoyi. She led several successful campaigns, strengthening Oyo's military dominance in the region. Orompoto was instrumental in rebuilding the Oyo Empire after its earlier conquest by the Nope. She established a formidable cavalry, enhancing the military strength of Oyo, and is credited with driving the Nope from Oyo in 1555. However, her reign ended in battle. She is one of the few Alaafins in history to have died in combat. After her death, she was succeeded by Alaafin Ajiboyede, marking the end of female rulership in Oyo's history.